Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Ani. I'm back with another video. Hope everybody's doing good. I am doing absolutely great. So let's get into this. So as you see, this is where we're at with some color, y'all. The gray has faded. It's kind of getting back to like a pale blonde, I guess. It's not yellow or orange, so that's nice. But I'm ready for some color, so we're gonna go ahead and put some color in there. I'm excited. So first we have some Adore Periwinkle, Adore Lavender, and Ocean Blue. I am so excited about this, guys. So I think it's gonna come out beautifully. I have some ideas. I want to try that holographic effect. So we're gonna do maybe like one or two peekaboos of some holographic effect if I can accomplish it. I only have 3 colors, so it's not gonna be like a rainbow effect, but it might be like that, more of that oil spill type of effect. We'll see what happens. So we're gonna get these gloves on, y'all. So first off, let's just go ahead and base my hair with this Vaseline so I don't get too much stain. Okay, so now we are all based up. I've been going through this in my head, like, how am I going to apply this, right? And I'm like thinking I'm going to put the blue on the roots first. It's dark ocean blue. And then go back and then put the highlights in. And then put the periwinkle all over. But I don't want this blue to be too crazy dark. So what I'm going to do is take this conditioner, put a little conditioner in there, and then mix the color in with that just to soften up just a little bit so it's not so like overwhelming. I don't want my hair to be like black looking. It's so dark, you know, because my hair is very porous. So now we got our product mixed up. Now usually my hair is like this. It's like majority of how I wear it all the time. So we're gonna pretty much follow how I wear my hair when we put these highlights in. First I'm gonna like diamond this off kind of. So in the diamond I'm just gonna put all periwinkle color. I want that to be like my major color. Like I didn't do last time, I'm going to go ahead and start in the back this time. Clean my brush off as much as possible and just put it right on the tip so we can try to get a clean application to the scalp area instead of the whole head. I want my whole root to be like this, so hopefully I can get it right. So don't judge me if it's not perfect, y'all. I'm trying to take my time a little bit with this, but I don't want to go too slow. I don't want it to be uneven, but I also don't want it to be a mess and have just like color everywhere and shit. So, okay. I think I'm doing pretty good, y'all. It's been 26 minutes. And I think I'm doing a pretty clean application. It's not too messy so far. All right, so now that we have the blue roots, we're gonna go ahead and start putting in some highlight foils, because the periwinkle we're just gonna throw in there because I'm not trying to be like really specific with the periwinkle. So let's kick it to the side where we usually party, which is usually over here. Okay, so our first highlight is going to be so we're gonna do that. And this one I'm gonna make that one a solid lavender. Now this is a little difficult, y'all. Oh, the face. So if we saturate it really well, it'll stay. Now you want to make sure you get it really saturated because you want to make sure that this color really takes, so it really needs to be saturated. Alright, and then to break the alignment, I'm going to go use a little periwinkle up here. Make sure you take it into that blue a little bit so you don't miss any spots or have any lines. You don't want that. I'm taking it down into the lavender just a little bit, just to make sure it's nice and blended. Yeah. Alright, so that's our first one, y'all. So I'm going to do another foil right here. This is the one I'm going to try to do the hollow graph effect on it. So, let's see. She did. A mess. I don't know, y'all. I don't think it's gonna work with these colors I chose. I don't think they're drastic enough from each other as I thought they would be. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna see what happens. I don't know. I ain't too confident in this. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, two big ass highlights, y'all. We're gonna see what happens with those, okay? So since I ain't so confident in that, we ain't putting another one of those in there. We just not. So we're gonna put another highlight over here. And this one, I think I'm gonna pull the dark blue all the way through. Just have a low light highlight. Dark light, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I guess it's a low light, huh? I'm gonna do just about all the way down, and then I think I'm gonna put the periwinkle right on the ends. Alright, so this blue is about to be popping. I said I'm gonna put Periwinkle on the way home. I lied, I guess I'm not. So now I think we're just ready to put the Periwinkle straight on, y'all. Getting a little messy, y'all. Getting a little messy. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna rinse and then I'll be back with the final result. Alright, y'all, so I am finished. I waited to the next day to record, so it is fully dry. I wanted you to be able to see it in its full state of color, and I'm pretty happy with it. The roots I probably will apply again. I think they could be a little bit more rich. I think maybe I say maybe I put too much conditioner in it, but this came out super vibrant, and that was with the conditioner in it. So maybe it's just because this is a little bit darker at the root, it needed more pigment. So that's all I'm guessing. But other than that, it came out so pretty. Yeah. It's giving me like juice vibes. It's so pretty. Yeah, here's a kick to this side. As you see, my little, I guess it's a oil spill, whatever that is, what I tried to achieve didn't really happen. Their colors are too close. This color, y'all, though, this color is fire. But it's so pretty. I love the little peekaboos. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I'll come back and show you once I reapply. Alright, y'all. So, right, okay, because what happened, right? Listen, I literally put it on my roots, okay? Would you see my roots? They still don't even like really want to pick up like that. But I guess it's because it's just really not that light. I don't know. That's much better, sorry. So yeah, they do look better than when I first did it. But when I rinsed it out, guys, and mind you, I rinsed it out. Where is my Vaseline? Oh, there it is. So, yo, when I went to rinse it out, this is what happened, guys. This crazy electric ass blue, and it's really pretty. But this is not what I wanted. This is not, I love the color that I had with a little bit of like, you know what I'm saying? A little bedazzle. This, everything just looks blue now. It just all looks blue. A couple little pieces that didn't like pick up heavily, but everything looks blue. It's just blue, and I'm kind of disappointed, and it's almost making me like, damn, should I just go back to being black again? I don't know, guys. It's pretty. It wasn't what I wanted. I wasn't trying to be this blue. This is like blue though. Like blue. Like for real blue. These little babies. We gotta say farewell to some fallen soldiers.
Why?
Okay, so we've had some struggles over these last few weeks. Not even a few weeks, maybe probably about a month. R.I.P. to my baby. I kept them. Yes, I did. Moment of silence.
Oh, Lord.
They were troopers. Not all of them fell, but some of them were just too thin. And I was like, they're going to either fall off or catch on something or something's going to come off anyway. So I just cut it. But I have some new products, guys. My hair is feeling amazing. I lost those too, but you know, it comes with the territory because I know people who haven't done as much to their hair as me and they still lose locks. Not that coloring my hair has not put a little bit of damage, not a little bit, but probably a lot, but I've put damage to my hair. But I also know people with dreads that are natural in its natural state, not all the way natural. Maybe they have lightened it once or twice, but don't judge me, okay? Anyways, y'all, so this is it. That's how I feel about it because I was really happy with what I had. It'll rub up. I'm sure I'll start to be like, yes, you know, but right now I'm just like, I didn't want my whole head blue. It's just, it is what it is. It's pretty, like the glow. Yo, it's glowing, y'all. This is like a glowing blue. It's crazy. Now, I'm hoping that I can get back to blonde. That it'll fade out, but I don't know. The way that my roots were looking, they were looking kind of like mermaid-ish. That meant it had like a little bit of a green teal undertone. So if there's a green base, if my hair is green, that's going to take some really deep calculating how to neutralize that for me to get back blonde safely and not put my hair through too much damage. But it still looks good though and feels good. You know, the ones that made it, you know, everybody can't hang. I mean, that's just part of life, period. So yeah, guys, y'all see I'm in my work clothes. Help a sister out. Hit like, subscribe, comment, all of it. Trying to get out of here, period. Yeah, guys, this is it. Ta-da! Yeah, it just wasn't what I wanted, but it's pretty. You know, I'm gonna rock the shit out of it pretty. I mean, I'm gonna rock the shit out of it either way. Cause I'm always glowing. You know, you see it. But for real, I gotta go to work, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I always appreciate you. Talk to you soon. All right.